Hi, I'm Becky Gibson. Welcome to this fabulous property sitting on just over 2 acres in Morgan Mill, Texas. Come check out this farmhouse. This fantastic property is the best of both worlds, you guys. It offers commercial and residential, so you could run your business here while living in this fabulous rehab farmhouse. Guys, it's so cute. Call me Becky Gibson. And remember, Becky sells Morgan Mill, Stephenville, Bluffdale, Granbury, you name it. Call me today.